Week's been dragging like a rusty old chain. Boss man's barking got me going insane. And Friday rolls around and the sun starts glowing gold. Got a little cash, a cooler dream, and a story to be told. Pulled up to the dock and there he stood, Captain Brad grinning like the day was good. Helped us aboard, said y'all ready to float. Next thing we knew we were gone on a Tiki boat. He had the speakers turned up, palm trees in the breeze, everybody forgetting all their worries with ease. If you're feeling sad, go see Captain Brad. Leave your troubles on the shoreline where they ain't so bad. The work week's long and the weekend's short. You need a full day floating for your heart's support. Cold drink in your hand, sunshine on your face. Captain Brad's Tiki boat is a happy little place. Yeah, if life gets rough and the world's gone mad, grab a seat and a drink, go see Captain Brad. Anchored in the emerald water, clear and blue, had noodles and floats for the whole dang crew. He'd bring us cocktails with a captain smile, made it